Welcome. If you've been using WhatsApp on your computer and you're a little tired of constant call notifications popping up while you work, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to prevent call notifications from showing up on the WhatsApp desktop app after the most recent update. It only takes a moment, and once you set it up, you can focus on your tasks without unnecessary interruptions. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Once the app is open, look toward the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice a small gear icon. This is the Settings button, and it's where most of the personalization options are located. Click on it to access the menu. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several categories that control different aspects of WhatsApp. What we're interested in today is notifications. Go ahead and select Notifications. This will open up a list of options for customizing how alerts are displayed on your computer. Within these notification settings, you'll find a section specifically designed for calls. By default, WhatsApp allows call notifications to appear, which can become distracting, especially if you're focused on something important. To stop these pop-ups, all you have to do is toggle off the option for calls. Once you disable this setting, WhatsApp will no longer display call notifications on your screen. Don't worry. You'll still be able to receive and make calls through the app. The difference is that you won't get interrupted by notifications when someone tries to reach you. And that's it. Just 4 quick steps, and you're done. Open WhatsApp, click on the gear icon, head to Notifications, and disable calls. This small adjustment makes a big difference if you want to reduce distractions and stay more productive while working on your computer.